Hi there, this is Raksha from Calilio, and in this quick video, I'll show you how to remove members from your Calilio Workspace. Managing your team access is easy with Calilio. You can quickly remove members who no longer need access, keeping your workspace organized and secure. Here's how to remove a member from Calilio. First, click on Settings from your dashboard. Then, under the Workspace section, click on Members. After that, click on the three dots beside the member that you want to remove. After that, click on Delete Member. You will be prompted with a confirmation dialog box. Confirm, and that's it. Once deleted, that user will immediately lose access to your Calilio Workspace, all associated data. And that's how you remove members from Calilio. If you need any help managing your team, our Calilio support team is available 24/7 through the live chat box. Thanks for watching.